Man, she is something fierce. I mean, not that the Cane Corso isn't fierce. They both are. They both have this intensity to them, even as puppies. And I know she's very young, this puppy, but she doesn't have as much of an awareness as Lucia did, as far as where to go to the bathroom. This puppy just pops a squat wherever she is. Ooh. You hear that? Man, she's fierce. Now, they're being gentle with her, especially Dolce. Dolce's being very gentle, but she'll strike with that little growl that she has. So she's standing her own. I'm making sure they're not going to be too rough with her, but Dolce, gentle now. They're being gentle. The puppy is a little bit rougher, but see, she's just nibbling at her. But I have seen this puppy like full on like take a chunk out of the puppy and growl at her pretty loudly. So she's fierce. She's intense. Man, she is gonna be a powerful little girl. Very powerful. Yes, your baby girl. Oops. Hey, little baby girl. I think she's coming to me. She's like, okay, I'm done playing. Okay, Dolce, back off. Dolce, back off. Get. Back out of my space. Good girl. Good girl. Back off. Lucia, that's enough. Good girl. So she's coming to me. She'll come crawl up on me whenever she's done playing. And then she just wants to sleep. Good girl. Now, I have been correcting her when she chews on me. The reason I'm wearing chanclas is because I had my house slippers on and I stepped in dog poop. Didn't realize that she had pooped in the middle of the living room, so I had to throw those away. So we're wearing flip-flops. Yeah, Dolce. Yeah, Lucia, get back. Get back. It's enough. It's enough, baby. It's so hard to, see, she's gone down for sleeping time. It's hard when you have this puppy that wants to play, but then you have this puppy that can't play for as long periods of time. And she's so small compared to the other puppy. But, Lucia, good girl, honey. Lucia's gonna go down for her nap, too. You're a good girl. And Dolce being the motherly that she is, motherly dog that she is, she's staying right by the puppy. Good girl. So yeah, like I said, I guess the biggest challenge is going to be making sure that the puppy, that Lucia is not too rough with the new puppy, Tekilla. You're a good girl, baby. Yes, okay. She's looking for a place to snuggle and just go to sleep. Good girl, honey. Good girl, honey. Tekilla. Tekilla. Oh, look at those big paws. My goodness. Okay, baby girl. Yeah, she just kind of burrows, looking for a safe place to rest. Yeah, so they 6 weeks old, I think that they They play intensely when they're awake. They eat a lot, drink a lot. At least this is what I've been noticing with her. When they're awake for short periods of time, they'll play like super intensely. And then just eat all they can, drink all they can, and then they just, like this, then they just all of a sudden plop down and go to sleep. Baby, your puppy's sleeping. She's sleeping, honey. Get back. And so, oh man, I've got a lot of housework to do right now. This place is a disaster. Yeah, but the puppy stage, you know, it doesn't last very long. It's kind of chaotic when you're in it. I figure I might as well knock it out, both of them at once, since they're so close in age, the two puppies. All right, so now I gotta get up off this floor and start doing some laundry. Anyway, I hope you're having a good day, and I will see you on the next one.